Here is the 16-piece Carote set. It is made with a high-level white granite, making it 5 times more nonstick than any other nonstick pans on the market. These pots and pans are also incredibly easy to clean, which cuts down on water waste. Not only are these pots and pans incredibly functional, but they are also free from several chemicals and elements like PFOA, PFOS, cadmium, and lead. I have already cooked with these. I made spaghetti and I've also made scrambled eggs. I purposely didn't use any extra oil or butter when cooking just to see how the nonstick would work, and y'all, I was totally blown away. I'll post a video at the end when I was cooking the ground meat for the spaghetti. You'll notice there wasn't a whole lot of juice or oil in the bottom of it because it was a very lean meat, but that should just go to show you how well these nonstick pans work because nothing was sticking. And there you have it, the 16-piece non-stick pots and pans set made with white granite by Carote.